Welcome to Online Technique. Today I have come to you with a new video. In today's video I am going to show you how to use transitions on PowerPoint slides. So watch the video to the end without skipping to learn the proper use of transitions. I believe that after watching the video you can do the task easily. Before starting the main topic, I have a small request to you. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because as soon as I upload a new video, you will get a notification. Let's get started. First of all, open your content in MS PowerPoint and click on first slide. You can give transitions after animating all the slides in the content. Suppose all the works of your content have been finished. Now you want to give the transitions. Let's go to the menu bar and click on transitions. See, there are a lot of transitions here, such as cut, fade, push, wipe, split, reveal, random bars, shape, uncover, etc. If you want to see more options or transitions, go to the right side and click on transitions down arrow bar. See, there are many transitions here. From here you can take the transitions of your choice. You can see such transitions if you have Office 2016 on your PC or laptop. From here I have selected curtains. Now see, the curtain is black. Now click on preview and see it again. Now click on transition down arrow and click on none to remove the transition. But the transition that you want to give in the first slide, give it in the second slide. See, I am giving the transitions that I gave you before. Now see, it is working. Now click on preview and see, it is showing on the first slide. Now if you want to see it again, press F5 button from the keyboard and later press down arrow from the keyboard to see the transition. Now press ESC button from the keyboard and click on third slide. Later go to the menu bar and click on down arrow transition and choose the transition and click on it. Now click on preview to see the transition. If you want to move the transition, go to the menu bar and click on effect option. See, there are two options, one is right and other is left. Now click on left. Now click on preview to see the transition. See, it is moving left side. In this way you can give transitions up to last slide. See, I am giving transitions to the some slides. Now go to the first slide. Later go to the menu bar again and see at the right side there are sound, duration and apply to all. From here you can set sound, time, duration by clicking on the right down arrow. From here give the sound and time duration on the slide that you want. See, I am showing you with sound and time on a slide that I need. Now click on sound arrow option. Next click any option that you need from the box. Now I have clicked on applause. Next, time duration. At the top of the down arrow click and select the time. Press F5 button from the keyboard and see. It is working. Now click on the third slide. If you want to give the same time duration on all the slides, click on the apply to all white box. After completing all the works, go to the menu bar and click on file menu. Later click on save as option and save the content. Now click on first slide and press F5 button from the keyboard and see the slideshow by pressing the down arrow key from the keyboard one by one. In this way, you can give transitions on the PowerPoint slide. Dear viewers, if you subscribe my channel, thank a lot. Or if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe now. Thank you very much for watching the video to the end. May God bless you. See you again. Bye.